Hello, this is Dr. Snehal, consultant dermatologist practicing in Thane. Most of the times we have young patients who come to us asking that my mom or my grandmom have had a beautiful skin when they were younger, but I suffer from a lot of acne or pigmentation. Well, the answer to that is that we all live in 2022 and the pollution statistics have tremendously increased. Now, what are these pollutants which have an adverse effect on your skin? It could be your air pollutants like carbon monoxide, polycyclic hydrocarbons, your lifestyle habits like cigarette smoking, your continuous exposure to UV light or UV radiations. What should one do to reduce the effects or harmful effects of pollution on your skin? A. Maintain this barrier of your skin. Now, what is maintaining the barrier of your skin? Use a good moisturizer and a sunscreen. So now what should one do to prevent these adverse effects of pollution on your skin? A. One must maintain the barrier of your skin. Barrier means the protective layer on your skin. You can maintain this by using a good moisturizer and using a sunscreen. A good use of moisturizer and sunscreen together can protect the barrier of your skin, thus limiting the side effects of pollution on your skin. For someone suffering with acne, can use a salicylic acid based night gel or a face wash. Someone who's troubled by pigmentation due to constant sun exposure should include vitamin C in the morning in their skincare routine, followed by a broad spectrum sunscreen, preferably a tinted one. Someone who's suffering from premature signs of aging or seeing a lot of fine lines around their forehead, under eyes, around their mouth due to cigarette smoking and other lifestyle causes, then you must incorporate retinol based products and a good sunscreen. Now, what are the skin diseases which are aggravated because of pollution? Your acne, your pigmentation and your premature aging may seem like something trivial. You may feel that, okay, now this is not something as bad and I can live with it. But there is something more serious which UV radiation or pollutants can cause, and that is skin cancer, which could include melanoma, squamous cell carcinoma, etc. So the use of sunscreen is very, very important when it comes to protecting your skin from skin cancers or any other inflammatory diseases.